I will show you how to make this object shine effect in Premiere Pro. Select your clip and then click on the Object Mask tool. Now go to Preview and then create a mask for the object that you want the shine effect on. To track it throughout the video, go to Effects Controls and then click on the Track Forward and Back button. Once Premiere is done tracking, drag the object mask to the opacity setting. This will isolate the object. Now duplicate the layer by holding Alt or Option on Mac. Now select the bottom layer and then remove the mask to get back the original video. To make the effect actually work, you need to right click on the top layer and then select Nest. Now head to Effects and then search Glint. Then apply the glint effect to the nested layer. To tweak the look, open Effects Controls and then change the values to your liking. You can, for example, change the intensity, position and even the glint scale. Note that this effect can be heavy on your PC, so you may need to render it for smooth playback. And you have now created this object shine effect. To save time editing, check out my ultimate preset pack, link in the description.